Hello children, let's come to our next exercise 9.2. This is based on the sum, difference, product and division of rational numbers. Let me tell you only that the rules are same as we used for fractions, of addition, of subtraction, doing multiplication and doing division. But in addition to that, now we have to look for the signs as we used to look in integers. That two signs, if there are negative like this, negative and negative will become positive here when they will multiply, when brackets will open. How to deal with these type of signs? One number is negative, another is positive. How to solve? As we used to solve in integers, the same way we will solve here. Let us start. As I've written here, question number 1 and 2 are based on LCM, because in addition and difference of fractions we usually use LCM. Then properties of integers will also be used. So first is finding sum. Question number 1, 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. So when we will open the bracket, plus and minus will multiply. Plus and minus will multiply to give us negative. In integers, what usually happens? Plus multiply, minus is minus, plus minus. When there is one number negative, multiplies with a positive number, again it will give negative. But when we both have equal signs multiplying, then we always get a positive answer. So whether those signs are positive or those signs are negative. Here one was positive or negative, opposite signs, so we got a negative here. Now LCM, both are 4, so LCM will remain the 4 and numerator will not change because all the denominators were same. So 5 minus 11 will be minus 6 upon 4. After cutting down we get minus 3 upon 2. You can also convert it into minus 1 by 2. Next question is, I have taken fourth part here. You people will solve all the parts for your practice. It's minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 upon 9. Numerator and denominator were negative. We can cancel signs only if it is in the same fraction. If it is in the different fractions, you cannot cancel them. Only if it is in the same fraction then. Because there is not a sign of multiply. There is a sign of plus. This is the different fraction. This is the different fraction. Only you can cancel the sign if these are available in the similar fraction. I have cancelled the signs. Otherwise also when minus will divide with minus, it will become positive. So now 3 upon 11 plus 5 upon 9 is left. LCM of 11 and 9. 11 and 9 are co-prime numbers. There is no any common factor between them because 11 is a prime number. So LCM will be multiplying them. 11 into 9, 99. 11 and 9 LCM is 99. How do we get these numbers here? By dividing the denominators. How we will make 99 out of 11 here? By multiplying it with 9. Same we will multiply with numerator. To convert 9 into 99, what we need here? 9 into 11. So we had multiply 11 with the numerator. 3 9s are 27, 11 5s are 55. Adding on we got 82.99 was a proper fraction, so it will remain like this. If it is improper, you will convert it into mixed fraction. Next part, I have taken minus 8 upon 19 plus minus 2 upon 57. Now what we see here, there is a plus sign and then multiplying with the negative sign. Plus minus will become minus. LCM of 19 and 57 I have taken here. It is again a 57 because 19 was a factor of 57. Now LCM is 57. To make 19, at the place of 19, if we make 57, we need to multiply with 3 because 19 3s are 57. So the same will multiply with the numerator. 8 into 3, 57 is itself 57, so I multiplied with 1. 8 3s are 24, 2 1s are 2. Both for the negative numbers, when both are negative, we add in integers. So it is, the sign will remain negative, but we will add them. 24 plus 2 is 26. Both for negative, so answer is negative. It is 26 upon minus 26 upon 57. Next question is to find the difference. Difference will also be in the same way. 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Taking LCM of denominators. I have taken LCM of denominators. You can see LCM 2 into 2, 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 3s are 72. It's a 72. If we make 24 as a 72, I've divided here. 72 divided by 24 is 3. 72 divided by 36 is 2. So whatever the answers will come, we will multiply with their respective numerators. 24. Numerator of 24 is 7. We'll multiply 7 with 3. Numerator of 36 is 2. We'll multiply 17 with 2. 7 3 is 21. 17 2 is 34. 21 minus 34. 21 is a positive number here. Plus minus is minus. 34 में से 21 minus करो. Subtract 21 from 34. It's 13. Which one is the greater number here? 34 is the greater one, so it will be a negative. Minus 13 upon 72. The same with the next question. Minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. Minus will be plus here. Taking LCM of both the numbers, dividing denominators with LCM and multiplying with the respective numerator. We got this minus 90 plus 1. Subtracting them we get 1 and 91 is the bigger one, so it is a positive one. I've solved one more part, fifth part of second question. It was in mixed fraction 1 upon 9 minus 6. So 9 to the 18 1 19 minus 19 upon 9 minus 6 upon 1 9 and 1. There was a 1, so no need to take LCM, just multiply them. 9 ones are 9. 9 is itself 9, so will be 1. There is 1, so 9 will go in the numerator to multiply. Minus 19 minus 54, it becomes minus 73. And in mixed fraction it gives minus 8 1 upon 9. Now about product. There is only a matter of signs and rational numbers. Otherwise, it is literally similar to fractions. Numerator will be multiplied to numerator, and if there is any cutting, you can cut them. How to go with the signs? Minus multiply minus will give you positive. Positive will remain positive only. But if there is a one negative number and one positive number, the answer will become negative. Similar is in division. If numerator denominator are negative, single negative, it will be positive. Both are positive, it will remain positive. One negative, answer will be negative, and one negative, answer will be. In case you are getting more and more minus signs like this, there is one fraction, negative upon positive, negative. This negative will cancel with this. Now you are left with one negative sign. It will go in the answer. First is 9 upon 2 multiplied by minus 7 upon 4. First fraction is positive, another fraction is negative. Plus multiply minus is minus. पहले साइन लिखोगे आप. Now 9 into 7, 2 into 4. 9 7s are 63, 2 4s are 8. In mixed fraction, it is there. I've taken one more example. 3 upon minus 5 into minus 5 upon 3. Now, first go with the signs. There is one negative sign here, one negative sign here. Negative will become positive. Now 3 multiplied by 5, 5 multiplied by 3. If you multiply signs early, then you can multiply numbers in a similar way as you used to do in the fractions. So it is plus 1 answer because 3 cancels with 3 and 5 cancels with 5. Division. Similarly, the same procedure you used to do, but only matter of signs again. Minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. So minus 4, I have just divided the signs first. There is one negative sign, there is no negative sign. One negative sign means answer is the negative. 4 upon 1, sign of division changed to multiplication and reciprocal of the another fraction. So it's 3 upon 2. 2 cancels with 4, 2 into 2, it becomes minus 6 upon 1 and answer is minus 6. Next third part, minus 4 upon 5 to be divided by minus 3. Now there we have two negative signs, so answer becomes positive. 4 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 3. There is no any cutting, just multiply them and you will get your. So 4 plus 4 upon 15 is your answer. Next sixth part, it is minus 7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. Both are negative numbers. Negative and negative will divided, then also it will give positive. If you change the sign of division first and then reciprocal, then multiply, then also it will give you plus only. 7 upon 12 into 13 upon 2. 7 into 13 is 91. 12 into 2 is 24. Converting them into mixed fraction is 3, 19 upon 24. 24 into 3, 72. 72 plus 19 is 91. That's all for your exercise 9.2. Next worksheets will be given. If you see here, there are some parts. I've solved this one, I've solved this one. Then I have solved this one here. these you people will try. This is only plus 0, so answer will remain the same. There is no need to go for anything else. Here multiply minus and minus sign first, it will become positive in the center. Here also minus will multiply with minus, it will become positive in the center. Multiply the signs first, then write down your answer. Both are positive, answer will be positive. One negative, answer will be negative. And here also, if two signs are negative, over there it will become positive. There is a single sign negative, it will become negative only. All the best for your work.